Did you know every 40 seconds, someone in the world suffers a heart attack? And the shocking part? Many of them never see it's coming. A heart attack, or myocardial infarction, happens when blood flow to part of the heart is blocked. Without oxygen, the heart muscle starts to die, and every second counts. The blockage usually forms when fat, cholesterol, and other substances create plaque inside the arteries. When that plaque bursts, a blood clot forms, cutting off the heart's oxygen supply. According to a 2021 study by the American Heart Association, over 80% of heart attacks are linked to lifestyle factors like diet, smoking, stress, and lack of physical activity. That means, in most cases, prevention is truly possible. The biggest danger is unawareness. Most people think a heart attack always comes with intense chest pain. But in reality, symptoms can be subtle, like jaw pain, shoulder pain, shortness of breath, sweating, or nausea. Especially in women, heart attacks often feel like fatigue or indigestion. The first golden rule: don't wait and see. If you ever feel chest pressure lasting more than a few minutes, seek emergency help immediately. So what causes these attacks? High blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, smoking, obesity, and chronic stress are the main culprits. Even excessive sitting, poor sleep, and fast food habits silently add up over time. But there's good news: small daily changes can save your heart. A Harvard study, 2015, found that just 30 minutes of brisk walking, 5 days a week, can lower heart attack risk by up to 30%. Start your day with a light exercise, walking, cycling, or yoga. Eat foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like fish, walnuts, and flax seeds. These help reduce bad cholesterol and inflammation in the arteries. Cut down on salt, processed foods, and sugary drinks. They increase blood pressure and triglycerides. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Your heart will thank you later. Manage your stress. Chronic stress releases cortisol, a hormone that raises blood pressure and sugar levels. Try deep breathing, meditation, or simply unplug from your phone for an hour daily. Now let's talk home remedies that support a healthy heart. Garlic helps reduce cholesterol and improve circulation. Ginger tea improves blood flow and reduces clot formation. Lemon water helps cleanse arteries and balance cholesterol levels naturally. Apple cider vinegar, when used in moderation, can help manage triglycerides. But remember, home remedies support your heart. They don't replace medical treatment. Always consult a doctor if you have chest discomfort or risk factors. Another key point: sleep well. A 2019 European Heart Journal study found that people who sleep less than 6 hours a night have a 20% higher risk of heart attack. So check your blood pressure, cholesterol, and sugar regularly. Move more, stress less, eat fresh, and rest well. Take care of your heart, because it's the only engine your body can't replace. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.